Lesson 13 is composed of brief forms. Start from work, written as RK, yesterday, EST, glad, L, circular, SERK, order, OD, soon, SN, enclose, NK, was, OS, thank, over it, that. Next is brief form, derivatives, and phrases. Thanks, over it, and then hiwalay ang left S. Work, RKT. Gladly, L, tiny circle. So this is Lee. Ordered, OD, jag, D. Meron nilagay ditong jag, itong napakaliit na line, para ma-identify that this is ordered. So, past tense siya. Kanina, order, OD, then, pag magdadagdag tayo ng ED, lalagyan natin ng jag. Thank you. Over it, oo. Thank you for, over it, oo, F. Next is the hook that represents the sound of O as in to also represents the vowel sounds in thus and book. Okay. Thus is represented by D, O, S. Drug, D, R, O, G. Up, O, P. Product, P, R, O, D, O, K, T. None, N, O, N. Number, N, O, M, B, R. Enough, E, N, O, F. Must, M, O, S, T. Next, as, O, S. Just, J, O, S, T. Adjust, A, J, O, S, T. Precious, P, R, E, ish, O, S. Book, B, O, K. Cook, K, O, K. Look, L, O, K. Took, T, O, K. Put, P, O, T. Push, P, O, ish. Foot, F, O, T. Full, F, O, L. Pull, P, O, L. Stood, S, T, O, D. Sugar, ish, O, G, R. Wood, O, D. Lesson 13, reading practice number 5. Dear Professor Woods. Please accept our thanks for the order you mailed us for a cooler television set. Period. The order reached us yesterday, and I was glad to get it. Paragraph. You have chosen your set wisely because the cooler television set is the work of a number of the finest minds in the television industry. Paragraph. Your set will be shipped this afternoon by truck from our factory and should have it soon. Period. We know that it will give hundreds of hours of pleasure. Paragraph. I am enclosing a copy of a circular that lists our entire line of radios, television sets, and record players. Period. Please read the circular when you have a chance. Period. Very truly yours.